holidays and it's time for a new project. I'm starting one that I've been meaning to do for many years. Recently I signed up for we'll start off with just a 1-month subscription to Stan Winston Studios, and I'm following along on a series of videos and I'm making a Muppet style puppet, rod and arm puppet. It's going to be fun. Today I'm starting on the mouthpiece and we're ready for that right now. I've prepared some pieces earlier. Here we are. I have already cut some quite thin ply pieces in semicircles and a spacer piece in the middle. And the plan is that we're going to mount those onto the felt and then put a tape backing on to reinforce it from behind. Then we're going to make finger grips, make it all work. We'll be set. Have a new toy, brand new glue pot. Thank you eBay from the UK. It's not as good as Evil Ted's fancy with, he quotes $40 one. It's $70 here in Australia, so 15 quid will do us. Let's try it out. Nice crappy brush. Back brigandine. Next step, tape on the back. Alright, well the instructions call for off-cut leather at this point. I lost my big bag of leather off-cuts when our basement flooded at a previous house and I haven't replaced it. I'm going straight to kind of quite heavy-duty black canvas. Oh, a light black canvas, we'll say. And I'm going to use that for my finger straps. As you may have noticed, my cutting board is a little bit warped and I think I'm due a replacement. Tie for some needle and thread. case I lost it because of the battery. I had to remove the nasty silver tape. Thank you, Aldi. Another disappointment. It seems like the contact cement and the glue's adhesive reacted and kind of melted each other, which was gross. And so I'm replacing it with a piece of black fabric instead. Are you good? Yes, I am good. Yes. Yes. You can tell which archetype I like to protect my puppets from. It is none other than I, Cookie Monster. No.